So today is a fairly short and simple lecture on comparing fractions, and we want to include mixed numbers and improper fractions in this. So we want to be able to do things like maybe compare 8 over 3 and um, 16 over 5, and if you don't know whether it's less than or greater than that, or maybe you want to compare. So these are two improper fractions. Maybe you want to compare an improper fraction to a mixed number like 2 7 over 10. Okay, so these are the kinds of things that we want to do. But before we do that, let's just learn how to simplify fractions. So let's say we have a number like maybe 20 over 8. So if we have a number like 20 over 8 and we want to simplify it, well, clearly I can divide the numerator and the denominator by 4 because 4 is a common factor of 20 and 8. In fact, it's the highest common factor of 20 and 8. So if I divide by 4, 20 divided by 4 is 5, and 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 5 over 2 as a mixed number can be written as 2, 1 over 2, right? And you could do another thing, which is you could try to write 20 over 8 as a mixed number right over here. So if you write 20 over 8 as a mixed number, you would write it as 2, 4 over 8. And the reason why we write 2 4 over 8 is because if you divide 20 by 8, you get 2 8s are 16 and you get 4 as the remainder. So it's 2 whole 4 over 8. Another way of thinking about why this is true is because you have 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. If I think of this as a number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, I am going to break it up. Every whole number is going to be broken up into 8 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I have 20 parts, they're going to be 8 parts over here, 8 parts over here, and then I'm going to get 4 parts over here. So I'm going to get 20, which is 2 whole and 4 eighths. And 2 whole and 4 eighths can again be simplified to, because 4 over 8, I can divide the numerator and the denominator by 4, because this is really equal to 2 plus 4 eighths. So I have a fraction here, so I can simplify the fraction to 2 plus 1 over 2, just 2 and a half. Okay, so this is just a cumbersome way. I mean, fairly straightforward, but I just wanted to do it in enough detail. So now let's think about our initial problem. We want to compare 8 over 3 to 16 over 5. So that was a question that we were worried about. Okay, so what we can do is we have to get them both on a common denominator. And the way we can get both fractions on a common denominator is that we are going to multiply this by 5, and we are going to multiply these by 3 so that the denominator becomes common, which is 15. So the common denominator becomes 15. So now we have, so what we can say is that now we have 40, because 5 eighths are 40, 5 threes are 15. So we're comparing 40 over 15 to 3 sixteens are 48, 48 over 15. So clearly, 40 over 15 is less than 48 over 15. Okay, now let's try another one. Maybe something like um, what we talked about earlier, which was 13 over 5. So we want to compare 13 over 5 to, and we are not sure, 13 over 5, we want to compare to 2 7 over 10. So this is 2 whole 7 over 10. The best thing to do is to actually change this to an improper fraction. So now we have 13 over 5, and we want to compare it to 27 over 10. Now you want them to be on the same denominator. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the 5 by 2, and hence we have to multiply the 13 by 2 also, because we have to do the same thing to the numerator and the denominator. So now what we are going to do is we're going to get 26 over 10, and we are comparing it to 27 over 10, and clearly 26 over 10 is less than 27 over 10. Okay, so this is a fairly straightforward exercise, how to compare mixed numbers and improper fractions. The fractions can contain anything, and you should be able to handle it.